Welcome back to Design Tip Tuesdays, you guys. So this week we will be talking about the importance of color and why planning to use color and applying the right amount is important when designing your spaces. So in short, we will discuss three main tips, which are identifying where you want color to be, focusing on balance, and choosing the right color scheme. So before you apply color, you have to know why color matters. So color matters because it helps to enhance your space, so it gives character and uniqueness to your home. And it can also help to bring materials and objects together, such as flooring, furniture, or whatever else that helps to define your space. So make sure when identifying where you want color to be, you do this by specifying a main focal point that stands out within your space, such as a feature wall, a ceiling, or any other ideas you might have in mind. So focusing on balance is another great tip to share because it will really help your space to come together. I believe that a lot of people have a hard time with balancing colors within their space, so it's helpful to remember the importance of making sure that you have contrasting color so that they can complement one another. So contrasting colors can either be dynamic or static, as long as the colors balance one another. So choosing the right color scheme is very important and should be thought about and planned thoroughly so that colors aren't either too bold or clashing with one another. So your color scheme can either consist of warm or cool colors, but make sure you have a well-defined color scheme so you have an understanding of what colors you should use and colors you should avoid using. So for an example, you have color schemes that are analogous, complementary, monochromatic, triadic, or neutral, which is like usually an earth tone palette. So these are three great tips to know and to really help develop your understanding of colors and how you can apply it within your space. Please check out the videos called Selecting the Perfect Color Part 1 and 2 on the Gray Space channel.